pong number
is
may
pageant. Okay, ang title ninyo ay kung mananalo, isa lang mananalo, walang first prize, walang second prize, basta yung number 1 lang. Alright, ang title nyo is Miss Señorita Matatag 2025. Yeah, alright.
Hindi na sasabihin.
Tapos, ang mapapanalo ninyo, ito yung tapos, ito yung crown. Ayan. Alright. So, ang muli, dito kayo nagtumbal dito.
6 Wilma.
Number 4. Ha?
Number 4. Nasaan yung number mo?
Kinuha na dyan.
Nasa'yo? Wala, nilagay ko na lang yung ano. Wala, mga. Dapat pa eh. Hindi, si Wilma na lang dito. Nalagay ko siya.
Oo. Okay. Tagalog English para kayo. Wala kayo mga title yung pangalan ninyo. Kung saan na kayo nanalo.
Okay.
Wala nang tanong-tanong. Basta gano'n lang. Tapos na. Kaya i-announce natin yung...
O, sino yung nanalo?
I-announce natin na...
Isang magbibidyo.
Practice muna kayo. Practice muna kayo. Practice.
Basta, ayan. Okay? Sayang, first game namin, guys. Alright, sige. Picture mo muna, Bing, kami.
Ayan ang kalakanin na.
Paikot!
Isang beses na maikot na. Isang beses na maikot para mabilis tayo. Alright, ayan guys. Naka-wearing of white chaleco. Ayan. With black citation. And ayan, sports bra.
Practice mo na ba yung practice?
Alright, thank you very much. Candidate number 1, please stay on the left side. Now, next is candidate number 2. Come on! Joseph, come over! Apat ang pagpupulis na.
Napakarami nyo eh.
Apat.
Ito sa linawayan ah.
Yes. Tingin sa camera. Alright. That is candidate number 2. Miss Josie Tigamboa. Councilors from Korea. So, candidate number 3 is candidate Regine. Ayan, wearing of white, long shirt, and black short. Of course, may hat. Ayan. Yes. Alright, guys. Ayan. Yes, Remy Marcelo. Yan, another pose. Yan, another pose. Okay. Alright, the last pose or third pose. Posing. Oh, yeah. Miss Regine Marcelo. Korea. Alright, let's turn over to the fourth candidate from Thailand. Mother God, Miss Wilma Lucas. Yes, wearing a flowery short and of course. Ayan. Take a look, guys, for this candidate number 4. Ayan, from Thailand. Ayan, ayan, ayan. Alright, guys, come on. Okay, alright, guys. That's candidate number 4. Miss Miss Wilma Lucas from Thailand. Alright, thank you very much. Alright, fifth candidate is no other than from no other than Lulu Marcos. Yes. Wearing a black. Okay, black blouse. With blue inside. Alright, so nahihirapan yata ang ating nag-isang judge for this project. Kung sino ang kanyang pili. And then, candidate number 6, Belinda Pares. Ayan, thanks way for the audience. Go. Ayan, alright. Wearing full black blouse and black pants or kutoko or what? Take a look, guys. Candidate. Alright. That's nice. Mayroon bang kaya tatanggalin dyan? Ayan. Another post. Tanggalin mo na lang. Alright. Go. Take your last pose. Alright, thank you very much. Candidate number. Bago ko silitin, ready lang natin ang ating
Di ba po pwede magpakaso dala ng hay? Pwede makuha tayo.
may I request our judge para ilagay ang
Bago ang lahat.
may premyo pa.
May premyo na kayong 50-50.
Para natin kasi papalasin nyo, binigay mo kayo 50. Alright, ito yung lane niya. Eh, Jun, dali mo naman sa ulo.
Kanino? Nakaubad ako?
Binidyo niya.
Kahit nakaubad ako, okay lang?
Alright, take a look. Who's the winner for our first and ever Baka mapali ako na announcement. Alright. Oh, Alright. Halos pareho ang kanilang score Okay. So, our talagang first, the champion among the 6 is no other than, meron tayong judge. It's okay lang naman to. Ano lang natin to kasayahan lang. Candidate number 3.
Isabit ko na to.
Sabit ko na. Yan. Lapitan nyo. Ay! Dito yan! Isang kamay na lang! Ready? March! Get set! Ready na kayo? Isang kamay! Kanan o kaliwa lang? Isang kamay lang. 1, 2! 1! Kanan, march! Get set! Okay ka? Isang kamay na sa bibig. Walang laman. Uy! Ayan, ayos natin. Tama na. Ligo na kayo dyan. Babag na kayo. Alright, guys. End of my part 2. Thank you very much dyan sa bahay kulitan. Hello dyan. At sa mga nanonood natin. Yan. Team Puyaters, Team Positive, bahay kulitan. Ayan, pasalamat na rin ako guys sa laging nanonood ng aking vlog, ang Senior Citizen Aero Coloong Sumbangers. Thank you very much guys.